Hello friend, today I am going to tell you how to use row and rows function in Excel. So let's see what is row and rows, how it works. So row, so basically it returns the row number of a reference. If I select like A2, then it will give me second row number. If I select A10, then it will give me 10 number. Okay, and for rows, it return me rows number in an array. So if I select an array like 3 rows in an array, so it will return me 3 number. If I return more than this, then this will return accordingly. So this is the basic nature of this function. This is very useful function when it is used with other formulas in Excel. So let's try now. So here we will derive the score of student, top 5 score, using large function. We have already learned it in our previous videos. You can check it. So let me use large. It's asking for array. This is my array, comma. So k number, instead of number I will provide row a1. This will give me one number, and when I drag this down, then it will give me two number. Let us check it. If I select this formula and press F9 from my keyboard, you can see 1. So guys, here you can see that uh, when we used row function with large, then it returns the correct value. Now let's bring the bottom 5 number using small function. Small row a1. This will give me small number. So instead of row, we can also use row. Let me show you. If I use rows, so it's asking me for an array. Let me give array a1. Sorry, instead of a1, let me give I3 colon I3 and freeze the first one. So here I am getting same result for bottom 5 score using rows function. Let us see one more example. Row function with Vlookup. Vlookup. Lookup value is my roll number. Let me freeze this. This is my table array, comma. Now lookup is asking for column index number. So instead of providing manual number, we can use row number, row formula. Row. So my student name is in second column. So row A2. A2 will give me second number, comma. For exact match, we can use 0. So you can see guys, here is the result, and you can see the formula text. This is the formula I have used. Let's bring the same result using rows function. So we lookup value is this one, comma. My lookup array is this, comma. So here I will use rows function instead of rows. It's asking for an array. So for second, my student name is second column. So let me use from here and freeze the first one, and it will be 17. So it will result me second, comma 0. So guys, you can see that my rows function has written the exact same value. It's working in an array. So it's very useful when rows function is used in with combination of other formulas. Let me show you formula text. This is the formula text. So this was all about row and rows function. In our next video we will see column and columns function. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.